Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with bodybuilding. Whether it's gaining muscle mass, losing fat, increasing strength, or improving overall physique, having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Jogging or running. Once you feel comfortable with walking, you can gradually increase the intensity by adding short intervals of jogging or running. Start with a slow pace and gradually build up your endurance. Push-ups. Begin with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your chest towards the floor by bending your elbows and then push back up. If this is too challenging, you can modify the exercise by doing push-ups against a wall or on an elevated surface. Jumping jacks. Begin with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your feet wider than shoulder, width apart and raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Jumping jacks increase your heart rate and work multiple muscle groups. Focus on nutrition. A balanced and nutrient-rich diet is crucial for supporting your bodybuilding goals. Consume an adequate amount of protein to support muscle growth along with carbohydrates and healthy fats for energy. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats in your meals. Dumbell rows. Using dumbbells, place one knee on a bench, lean forward, and support your weight with one arm on the bench. Lift the dumbbell with your free arm, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Squats. Squats work your lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and perform a cycling motion with your legs in the air while simultaneously twisting your upper body to touch your elbow to the opposite knee. Get sufficient rest. Adequate rest and recovery are essential for muscle growth. Ensure you get enough sleep each night, typically around 7-9 hours, to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Stretching. Include stretching exercises to improve flexibility and prevent muscle soreness. Focus on stretching major muscle groups, such as your calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, and shoulders. Thank you for joining us on this journey to improve our health and build our bodies. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and with dedication and consistency, you can achieve your fitness goals. Stay motivated, stay focused, and never forget to listen to your body's needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health, fitness, and bodybuilding. And as always, take care of yourself and keep pushing towards becoming the best version of yourself. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.